In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Grammarly widget back in just a couple of quick steps. If Grammarly has disappeared from your browser or you can't see the widget when you're typing, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. We'll check the pin status first, and then we'll refresh the page so Grammarly can reappear and reconnect properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the top right area of your browser and click the puzzle icon. This opens your extensions menu, where you can see all of your browser add-ons, including Grammarly. Once the menu opens, find Grammarly in the list. If it isn't pinned, you may only see it inside this menu instead of on the toolbar. To bring it back, click the pin icon next to Grammarly. When you pin it, the Grammarly icon should stay visible in your browser toolbar, making it much easier to access whenever you need it. If the widget still doesn't show up inside a document or text box, the next step is to refresh the page. A simple refresh often forces Grammarly to re-anchor to the text field you're working in. You can do this by pressing F5 on your keyboard or by clicking the refresh button in your browser. If that doesn't work right away, try closing and reopening the browser completely, then go back to the site where you were typing. In many cases, Grammarly will load normally again once the page reloads. Also, make sure you're actually clicked inside a text field because Grammarly usually appears when it detects that you're typing in an active input area. If you're still having trouble, double check that the Grammarly extension is enabled in your browser settings and that you're signed into the correct account. Sometimes a small browser glitch, an update, or an extension conflict can make the widget disappear temporarily. Pinning the extension and refreshing the page usually solves it fast. So to recap, click the puzzle icon on Pin Grammarly, then refresh the page if needed. Those two steps solve the issue in most cases. If this video helped you get the Grammarly widget back, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.